Hello everyone and welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll continue our discussion with the questions pertaining to the test of mathematics. So what we'll do is basically we'll try and understand the kind of question that are asked in this kind of examination, and also we'll try and take a look at the approaches involved for solving the same. So let's take a look at the question over here. Let ax1, y1, bx2, y2, cx3, y3 and dx4, y4 be the 4 points such that x1, x2, x3 and x4 and y1, y2, y3, y4 are both in AP. Let if triangle denotes the area of the quadrilateral ABCD, then we need to basically find the area of the same. Okay. Now let's say here is given that x1, x2, x3 and x4, they are all in AP. So assume that their common difference is D. Say, okay. Again, y1, y2, y3 and y4, again they are all in AP. So I'm going to be assuming that their common difference is again in, say, D1. Yeah, D1. Say, okay. I'm assuming this. Now AB can be written as x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, so this will simply be x2 minus x1, so this difference will be D. Subsequently all the differences will be D. Here also D1, D1 and D1. Okay, so what we can actually get, that D square plus D1 square. So this is what we have. Say this value be A. Okay, let this value be A. Say I'm assuming that, and this A is greater than 0. Similarly, BC and CD will also be A. Okay, BC and DC will also be A. But now here we'll have something else for DA, because DA will be concerned with coordinate A and coordinate B. So that will simply be x4 minus x1 whole square plus y4 minus y1 whole square. Okay, if we join the same, it will simply be x4 and x1. So this is x4 is d plus d will come out to be 3d. So yeah, it will be 3d square. So it will be 3 times the value, because there are 3 distance involved. So this will be 3a. And now if we talk about AC, AC will be x3 minus x1 whole square plus y3 minus y1 whole square. So there are x3, 2, so 2 difference. So this will be twice a. Okay. So these are all the values that we have gotten for a greater than 0. Okay. Now we know AB plus BC equal to AC. Therefore, this would simply imply A, B, C are collinear. Also, AC plus CD equal to DA. Here A, C, D are collinear. So since all these points are collinear, so what we can do is basically area of triangle, area of the quadrilateral would simply be 0, because the more area we form, then the entire thing will be a straight line. So if you go by the options, then option A will be the correct choice over here. Okay. So I hope this is clear how we came about with the solution of the same. In case you are having any kind of difficulty, let me just represent the same with the help of a diagram itself. So see, this is A, B, C, D, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 and x4, y4. This is just for the sake of your visualization. Initially we found AB again BC and CD, all of this will be same, but we'll have a different value for AD, okay. And if we talk about the diagonal AC, so for that diagonal AC also we found the same. So since we are getting AB plus BC, so AB being A and BC being A, okay, is equal to AC twice A. So basically this entire thing will become a straight line. So no diagonal form, and also we know that AC plus CD, this particular thing, CD is equal to A. So this again will be another straight line in this part. So it will be something like A, B somewhere here, C somewhere here. Again, what we'll have is AC plus CD. So again, CD will be somewhere over here, and that is equal to DA. So CD will be somewhere over here, and DA. So that would simply give us the entire thing being a straight line itself. So no area will be formed. So if you feel in difficulty trying to understanding the concept of the problem involved, I suggest you go through the entire video as many times you feel comfortable enough that you have gotten the gist of the problem itself. And then with this video as a reference, I suggest you solve the question on your own so you can get a better idea on how to go about this kind of questions in general. Okay, so just a few basic concepts are involved in this pertaining to the AP and quadratic in general. So with all that said, in case you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel so that we can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line as well, and we'll continue our discussion with this kind of question in the subsequent videos as well. So having said all that, I've come to the end of the video and I'm signing off. Thank you so much.